This is how to use the Emboss tool. Start a sketch on the XZ plane. Start the text tool. Choose the frame. These are the settings I chose. Type what you want the text to say, then click OK and activate Emboss. As the sketch, select the text. As the face, click the cylinder's face, then click OK. The text is backwards. The Emboss tool is weird. You need to adjust the text's angle. You can watch a different video for that. You can use the Emboss tool for shapes too. That means you don't have to adjust the angle. Anyways, that's how to use the Emboss tool.